thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, back to Bitcoin. The idea here is, and there's a couple, this is not about predicting the market, right? But there's some variables here. Is there some type of falling wedge here? If so, breaks out. I mean, it looks like it already broke down to some sideways consolidation, bearishly retested it, and it's headed lower. Doesn't really matter. It's a 4-hour chart. The most important thing is, like, commonly, all the time, people are like, Chris, like when you get a huge edge, Bitcoin breaks 31,800, buy Bitcoin. Get a bullish retest, buy more. Bitcoin bounces, and then like, how long are you going to hold it for? Are you trying to hold it for a year, 4 years? What exactly are you trying to do? And so it's a question where there's multiple answers based on your specific skill set. Are you using next month's rent, which you shouldn't be? And so just to understand, the idea here is the Bitcoin bulls need to break and hold 31,800 for continued upside. That level has to be broken and held. That's why plan A, plan B comes in, right? So plan A, load Bitcoin here. If Bitcoin comes down here, it puts in a higher low. It's still bullish because you've got your low, your high, your higher low. I wish this was a lot higher because it's kind of a weak move. The most important thing is you'll get these fake outs, right? You might get looks like it's going to break to the downside here, and you get this big wick, and then it buys back up. Well, if you get a bullish retest in there, that is a bear trap. I'm going to talk about this in a second. We've got to do more learning on this channel because I feel like group or no group. I want you guys are my crypto family. You guys keep me going, right? Like literally nonstop all day today, working on ideas to make everything better and making amazing progress. This is not about me. This is about you. Everybody else, they're flying to Turk, to Caicos. They're flying to the Bahamas, private jets. And I'm here. I don't do this for me. I do it for you. Okay. So understand where I'm at as a person. So plan A, plan B. If this thing fakes out and comes back here, bullishly retests, that is a good long signal, right? That is a very good moneymaker. But if it breaks to the downside and it bearishly retests, sell. Do not hold Bitcoin. There's an idea where you see Bitcoin roll over and then it pumps. Bitcoin roll over and then it pumps. Bitcoin is rolling over right now. Okay. And so keep in mind, like, you could get that pump. It's not about predicting. All right. I'm telling you, you're watching the YouTube Yahoos and you get stuck in predicting price points and you really mess everybody up. People take huge losses. The most important thing is this is a rising channel, rising broadening channel, right? We talked about this exact idea where the price action continues in the pattern until it doesn't. And we've had this green box here where the bulls must show up here. And you just had Bitcoin kind of slowly sliding. On the 3-day, which is more significant, you got the 21 right here and you got the 50. You lose this, I'm just telling you, like, it's going to get ugly. You've got falling volume on falling price, which is a sign of a reversal. I like to go to the lower term time frames to really analyze that, but let me show you this right here. And this, again, isn't the best example, but like just from here to here, you got falling volume on falling price. And what happens? It reverses, right? So whenever there's falling volume, it means the move, whichever direction it's going, is weakening, right? These are basic ideas that are not hard. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person said, I wanted to thank you for your channel. I've been studying crypto trading almost 2 years, and now I see the results. He's got 30 winning future trades. He 10x'd his money here on one trade, making it a lot easier to join. There's going to be a combo where you get access to the CBC regular trading group Like this person, for example, in spot, he put 100,000 in the market. He lost 50,000. He paid $10,000 over the last 2 years for various courses. Nothing worked. He went from 50,000 to 100,000 in the trading group, regular CBC trading group. And then he made another 3,000. So he made 53,000 in the group. This person lost $200,000 17 months ago in the start of the bear market. Do not ever hold a downtrend. Now he's starting over with $1,000. He made $450, so he made 50% profits in 2 weeks. Bottom line is, you go to cryptorev.net, you sign up for one of the combo groups. It's an entire ecosystem that breeds success. And for the year, and you're going to get 4 months free, the leverage group and trading CBC group. If you have any questions, you can email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. But Bitcoin Weekly, the most important thing here is to watch how the price action reacts to this lower trend line, right? You want to see it bounce and then give you another drive higher, but it breaks down. I'm telling you, you're coming down here at 24,000, 22,000, 20,000. So don't get caught in that. Soon as you get a breakout, if it happens, of 31,800, that's where you buy. This fake out idea. Whenever you get a fake out, you want to long the bullish retest of the fake out, right? Fake outs will cause short traders to open up trades, and then they get stuck. And then they're buying long positions, and then the coins pump, right? Just as a general rule, learn this, print this out. You have to take advantage of these fake outs or traps. My best trades by far, I just wait for the traps. I wait for everybody to get trapped, and I know they're going to get punished. And that's just how this market works. This is huge. The crypto bill advances out of the House Agriculture Committee, and they aim to create federal rules for crypto. Finally, we're seeing regulatory ideas in crypto moving forward. There's a couple people, and one of them is the head of the SEC, Gensler, who think, crypto should follow a 1940s law called the Howey test, and everything's a security. Well, best case scenario here, you get 70% of the cryptos that are commodities, might even be more, hopefully. But if they're securities, all they have to do is register as securities. So it completely changes the games. And what's happening is the whales, they don't sit and wait for crypto to turn around. If crypto is dumping, they're shorting. If stocks are taking off, they're in the stock market. I'm going to show you what the stock market's doing. Look at the stock market, S&P 500. You think the whales in crypto care what market they trade? You had close to a 25% run up in the S&P 500, right? Huge run up. This is the bullish market. They just move from one market to the next. I have a ton of mentors that are very wealthy. And when crypto is boring, they just move to another market. And so that's where leverage trading comes. And I'm looking at stocks as well. I have to be able to have the mindset. I mean, when crypto takes off, it's going to be, here's what you get. When you have this coin is got a mainnet launch coming, it's a newer coin, it's AI, and you have a date, they start putting that news out because they want to pump their coin. Because when you start to get coins with news, it's on, and it's time for crypto to really take off as far as the altcoins go. And you need Bitcoin dominance to break lower considerably. You don't want it to break here and then get stuck at these levels and then bullishly retest and work higher, because that would crush the altcoins. If the altcoins do take another hit, I'm looking at OP. This is a very strong coin, next bull market. The idea here is, if the market gives you the ability to pick up down here around 86 cents, 94 cents, where all this supports at, that would be a good buy idea. Another good buy idea would be down here at 67 cents, right? And so we're thinking longer term, because this is a weekly chart. I can go in the lower term time frames and I can find scalp trades all day and trade with leverage, but this is more for long-term holders that are looking for entry, ride coins when the bull market gets here. So we're preparing constantly. So I want to talk to you about these exchanges. So you got Binance, #1 exchange, 5 billion in 24-hour trading volume. Way less than that is Coinbase at 706. Even less at Kraken, Kucoin at 305. Clearly, these aren't in order by the size of the volume. But Kucoin just lost a huge part of the market. So you want to see this house regulatory framework fit in so Kucoin jumps back on board. Who is going to launch a coin right now when the market is subpar? Or Bitcoin's just moving sideways? Bitcoin breaks out and does something amazing. Potentially things change. But you have to work and wait on the market cycles. So the most important thing is with these exchanges, and there's a bunch of them, MEXC, which they have their exchange reserves data available. They have 1,634 coins. You've got to have a MEXC account. Go and make a MEXC account, because what MEXC is doing is it's just above the DEXs. And I've got some good friends that are all about the DEXs, and they use rug pull like every other sentence. You either get rugged or you get rich, and it's just like a total gamble. So above that is MEXC, where the money, they have such a good product as far as ease of use. They've got really small cap coins. I think we're going to find the most 20, 30, 50x, 100x coins on here, because as soon as they come off the DEXs, they're on MEXC. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.